Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on TikTok step by step. If you are looking to manage your TikTok experience by disabling comments on your videos, you are in the right place. Whether you are aiming to maintain a positive environment or simply prefer a quieter space, TikTok offers several options to control who can comment on your post. First of all, open up the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, click on Profile at the bottom right. Inside your Profile section, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal buttons at the top right corner. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings Privacy, click on Privacy and scroll to Comments under Interactions. Under Comments, tap on the button right next to Allow Comments From and select Friends. Now, only your friends will be able to comment on your post for your future videos. If you want to turn off comments for a specific video, go back to your profile page and from your profile, scroll through the video and find the one you want to disable comments on. After you select the video, tap the three dots at the bottom right and then in the pop-up, scroll through the menu and click on Privacy Settings. Under Privacy Settings, turn off the Allow Comment button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to disable comment on this specific video. And that's how you can easily turn off comments or manage comments on TikTok. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.